Okay, now let's try and look at this question displayed on the screen. If you read through this question first, you will notice that you are given mass 0.25 kg, sorry, and you are given radius to be what, 6 meter, and it was what, in 2 resolution, and the time is what, t is equals to what, 4 seconds, and we're being asked to calculate our linear velocity. So first thing you do is that our linear velocity, the formula we know for linear velocity is equals to what, w times r. But in that case, we have two unknown variables, which is what, our v, that is our linear velocity, and our w, that is, sorry, the w, which is what, angular velocity. So how do we go about this? Since w is equals to what, theta over t, and we're given theta and we're given t, so we can insert the formula for w is inside the formula for what, linear velocity. That means you just replace that w in linear velocity with what, theta over t. That will be what, v is equals to what, theta over t times r. Or you can decide to like solve our angular velocity separate, then we'll now use it for the linear velocity to calculate the linear velocity. Okay, so now for me, I'll be using what, v is equals to what, theta over t times r. That's what I'm going to be using to solve the question. But I can't just use that two revolution like that. I have to either convert it using the conversion of 360 or using the conversion of what, pi radian, in which one resolution is equals to what, 360 is equals to what, 2 pi radian. But for me, I'll be using what, 360. That is what, 2 resolution is equals to what, 720. That is 360 times 2 will give us what, 720. So our theta will be what, 720. Okay, so we just insert all the parameters inside the equation, inside the formula, sorry. That is, v is equals to what, 720, which is our theta, over 4, which is our time, times what, your radius, which is 6. Then you get what, v is equals to what, 1080 meters per second. Don't forget, your unit is important. If you use the wrong unit, then your answer is wrong, because that is not the right answer for that unit. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thank you.